everybody, my name is Michael Madsen. Welcome back to WWW Channel 101. Today we're going to be doing our continuing coverage of the Norwegian Biathlon team. Here with the coverage is my colleague Brian Conway.
Norway has 5.233 million people in it. The climate for it is fairly mild. It has 109 people going to the Winter Olympics. And it has won medals in previous Olympics. This is what Norway looks like, and this is its flag.
Force is a push or pull on any object. Athletes use force to push off the ice with their skis. Weight is the force of gravity on the object. Athletes, the gun, skis, and all their equipment have weight. Friction is the force of resisting motion an object has on a surface. There is very little friction between the skis and the ice. Instantaneous speed is your speed at a particular time and place. An athlete has instantaneous speed when crossing the finish line. Centripetal speed is a force that makes a body follow a curved path. An athlete has this type of speed when they make a turn on the track. Acceleration occurs when there is a change of velocity or by the power of gravity when an object is moving. At the start line, the velocity is at 0, but after 10 to 15 seconds, the velocity will be about 15 kilometers per second. If you divide 15 by 10, you'll get roughly about 1.5, which is the acceleration. Newton's first law of motion says that an object in motion stays in motion, and an object at rest stays at rest. This happens when an athlete is stopped at the finish line and when they're skiing in the cross-country division. Projectile motion is a form of motion in which an object or particle moves along a curved path under the action of gravity only. This occurs when the athletes fire their rifles. It comes into play because the bullet is a projectile. The velocity is the change of the position of an object. This is also used in mathematics because of the equation v equals d divided by t. The distance, d, of 7.5 kilometers divided by the average time, t, of 20 minutes will give you the velocity, v, of 4 kilometers per minute. Anaerobic exercise is a physical, intense exercise enough to cause lactate to form, which is like a type of acid or fatty liquid. It is used by athletes in non-endurance sports to promote strength, speed, and power by bodybuilders to build muscle mass. Examples of aerobic exercises include cardio machines, spinning, running, swimming, walking, hiking, aerobic classics, dancing, cross-country skiing, and kickboxing. There are many other types. Aerobic exercises can become anaerobic exercises if performed at a level of intensity that is too high. Here are the Biathlon World Cup wins, all-time top 10. In fact, Norway actually places first place with 94 cup wins. For the men's, that is. The world record for the World Cup wins for women goes to Sweden. However, Norway has claimed 4th place with 28.
To get the best time in total and hit all the targets. Athletes ski to 4 ranges and try to hit a total of 20 targets in 20 shots. There's 5 targets per station. The race is 20 kilometers long. If you miss a target, you'll get penalized, which can be a 1 minute add-on to your time or a 150 meter lope.
Competing in today's biathlon, Emil Hegli Sefesen, Erlen Bogen, Hernik Le Bieland, Hilde Fini, Ingrid Landmark Tengelfoyd. I'm not even sure if I'm pronouncing these right. Johannes Thingsbo, Lars Hageli Berkman, Hartis Abusu, Sano Sol Mandol, Talabo, and Tyro Eckhoff. Those are the Norwegian
Norway!
athletes who are going to be competing in the biathlon. And Mel Higley Stefan is 32 years old, and this is going to be his 4th Olympic Games. Silno Solomondol is 28, and this will be her 2nd. Tari Bo is 29, and this is his 3rd. And Taro Hickoff is 27, and this is her 2nd. So, I hope you enjoyed our broadcast.
Hello.